So in this recording, we're going to be doing a grounding exercise where we just truly get in touch with our feet in the ground and move upwards from there. It's less than 5 minutes, and so here we go. We're just going to get present in the moment and with the fact that we're here right now. So let's just take a moment and notice at least 3 things that you can find in the world of sensation. And we'll do this by starting to just scan sensations that you're having in your body, beginning with your feet. So what I'd like for you to do is just to bring your focus, bring your awareness into your feet. And notice any sensation that stands out from the rest. And take a moment to notice that. Notice where you feel it. Notice where it begins. Notice where it ends. And really just pay attention to what the sensation is like. Just focusing on what the sensation is like. Now we're going to move your attention upwards. We're going to sweep through the legs, noticing any sensations there. Just scanning your body for any sensations, moving up through your legs towards your core. Just notice any sensations that you can notice. If you have several, just pick one sensation. Let the other ones know that they've been noticed, but that you're only going to focus on the one and bring your attention to that one sensation. Where exactly do you feel what you feel? What does it feel like? Then move up into the upper part of your torso, into your arms, your hands, your head, your shoulders, your back. Just notice any sensations you have there. You'll probably notice more than one, and that's okay. So acknowledge them, and then focus in on one. And see if you can notice that one sensation with curiosity. We're not really dismissing all the rest. We're just noticing that one as if it was really of interest to you. Being curious. Where exactly does that sensation begin, and where does it end? What is it like? Then finally, let's just take a breath and feel what it feels like to breathe in and out. And when you're ready, just simply open your eyes. And that concludes the actual exercise of just grounding, paying attention to different sensations showing up in your body. Now, I highly recommend that you take a little bit of time and continue to do this exercise on your own. This has only been about 5 minutes. Could you do a little bit more? Are you willing to try 2 or 3 more minutes of this all on your own? And if your mind wanders, that's okay. That's what the mind does. And part of why we're here is to just begin to observe what our mind does, so that throughout our day, we'll notice, and then we will be free for the first time to choose. Do I wish to move on this thought, or do I wish to move in a direction that actually matters in this moment? I hope you found this exercise useful. And until the next time, this is Todd Schmenk signing off. May you be well.